Hey duckies, I'm going to show you what we're going to do in our next Learn and Move class. Hope you all are looking forward to it. Let's get started. Okay, this time we're going to be learning how to make these cute little hearts. So, you can see I have a small heart here and a big heart. First we're going to make the small heart, and then we'll practice one more time with the big heart. So, for the small heart, you need a small piece of paper. So this is the paper that we'll be using. Okay, I'm going to fold my paper. I want it to be color side down. Fold it up like this to make a triangle. Right? Then I'll open up my paper, turn it, and I'm going to do the same thing again. I want to make another triangle. Now, when you open it up, you should be able to see an X mark. Now I know you can't see it very clearly on this side. You can see it a little bit better on this side, on our colored side, right? So we have this X mark. Now I want you to put the paper down and have it kind of in a diamond shape, right? I want to get this point to the middle part, okay? To the middle of my X. I'm going to fold it like this. There we go. Then I'm going to turn it, and I want to now fold it up to the top. Okay, so we're going to middle, then top, like so. Now, I bet you're thinking this doesn't really look like a heart. But wait, it will soon. Now, if you look closely, you can see there's a line in the middle. I want to fold up each side to this line. So watch closely. I'm going to take this side, I'm going to fold it up to my line. There we go. And now, I want to do it on the other side. Now, all of a sudden it starts to look like our heart, but it's too pointy, right? Don't you guys agree? This one looks much better. We want it to be a little bit more round, like this one. So, to make it look a little bit like a nicer, sweet heart shape, we're going to turn it over, right? Then you can see we have these points here. I want you to fold them down so they touch this line here. Like so. Now I'm going to do it with my other point. Ooh, starting to see our heart, right? Now for our last part, we want to fold these edges in. Okay? Now, you don't have to make this a big triangle. What you really want is to use this line here. That's the point we want to stop at. Alright? So I'm going to fold that in. Just a nice little triangle. Then I'm going to do the other side again. Use this point. Fold it. Now, when I turn it over, I have my pretty little heart. Now, let's practice this a second time with our bigger heart. So this time I'm using a pattern piece of paper, right? So I do have color side and a pattern side. I like this side, so this is the side that I want to put on the bottom, right? So this is the inside. This will be the inside of my heart. So again, I'm going to fold this up to make my first triangle. Then I open it, fold again to make another triangle. Now when we open it, we can see our X. You can see pretty nicely here, a little bit on this side, right? So, now as you can see, my paper is in kind of a diamond shape. I want to fold up this bottom point to the middle of my X. X marks the spot. Ye pirates. Okay, now I'm going to turn my paper over and again fold this bottom part up to now the top. Now we still don't quite have our heart shape yet, but it's coming. So now you can't see the line very well, but I still have my middle line right here. So I want to fold this edge up to that middle line, like so. There we go. Now I want to do the other side. Get this edge to go to the middle. Oops, looks like my heart's a little uneven. Oh. There we go, all fixed. Beautiful, pretty heart. But it's still too pointy. So I'm going to turn it over, flip it over. And again, I want to fold these 2 points down. Like this. And then this point. Like this. Next, I gotta fold these sides in. So I follow the line to my point. Okay, that's where I want my line to be. I fold it in. Then again, follow my line. Over here. Okay, I want it around there. There we go. And I have a pretty new heart that I can give to someone. So, hope that you guys had fun making our hearts and that it wasn't too tricky. And see you guys next time in class. Bye.